Hello everybody, my name is Cabria, the channel name is I am Cabria, and if you want to see how I got this Cruella DeVille look, then make sure you keep watching. But before you keep watching, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications, and let's get into the video.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Sure, you look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name.
I just want to let you know that he's mine.
No, he's mine.
You need to give it up. Had about enough. It's not hard to see the boy is mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me. The boy is mine. I think it's time we got this straight. Let's sit and talk face to face. There is no way you could mistake. And for your man, are you insane? See, I know that you may be just a bit jealous of me, but you're blind if you can't see that his love is all in me. See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say what he told me. To say without me he couldn't make it through the day. You did a shame. And maybe you misunderstood, 'cause I can't see how we could. Wanna tell you something that's so good, but my love was all it took. You need to give it up. Had about enough. It's so hard to see. Boy is mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me. Oh, it's mine. What you do, the things you do, keep on acting like a fool. You need to know it's me, not you. And if you didn't know it, girl, it's true. I think that you should realize and try to understand why he is a part of my life. I know it's killing you inside. You say what you wanna say, what we have and you can't say. From the truth you can't escape. I can tell the real from the fake. When will you get the picture? You're the best in the future. Get away, it's my time to shine. If you didn't know, the boy is mine.
you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Maybe more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, feel that you do know. But never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want that, yeah. Never fall out of love with you.
everybody, my name is Kabria, the channel name is I Am Kabria, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you for definitely making it to the end. If you want to see what other makeup videos I've done so far, make sure you go ahead and watch my previous videos, and make sure you stay tuned to see what's coming next for tomorrow. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.